So here we go guys, here's our final product, our kebab. Hello guys, this is Jelpino. It's cooking time again. Ngayon po magluluto po tayo ng ground pork kebab. So this is a very simple recipe. Nilagay ko po dito is 2 pounds of ground pork. I have paprika, 1 egg, ground garlic in there, salt, pepper. I also have Italian parsley in there, chopped garlic, chopped onion. So that's all about the recipe we have in there. Very simple. We're gonna mix this together and we're gonna put it in a skewer. We're either gonna grill it or we're gonna pan fry it. So we'll see which one is available. We'll be back. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and mix them together. Okay, we're gonna make sure that all this are incorporated nicely. Okay, all the ingredients are mixed together. We use the egg to make sure our meat is bind together when we're cooking them. You don't want them to come out loose from your skewers, the barbecue sticks. So I'm gonna finish mixing this and we're gonna put it on the barbecue stick together. Okie dokie. So okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the barbecue stick. So what I have in here is oil. So what I do is put my hand in the oil, put a little bit of oil, okay, and then grab my meat and then just let them form here. You don't want to make it thick because if you make it thick, it's just gonna fall apart. Okay, and then after we finish all this, we're gonna refrigerate them for at least maybe an hour or two to make it stay. So when we barbecue them, it sticks together. Okay. It's not gonna fall. Don't make it too thick. You want it to stay in the barbecue stick. See? You don't want it thick. This is a bit too thick, so you gotta make it a little bit thinner than that. Okay. Put a little bit of oil in your hand. Grab the meat. Form it. See how not too thick I'm putting in. When you put this back in the refrigerator, the meat, it's gonna get hardened a little bit. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this one up and I'll see you on the grill side. We're gonna grill it after. Okay guys, ready to barbecue. So the grill is heating up right now, so we're gonna put it in a little while. So guys, it's now in the grill. We're gonna wait for a few minutes to get cooked. You notice we put the foil in there. It's hot, so that your meat won't fall apart while it's cooking. So when it's kind of nice and cooked, we'll take out the foil to get the grill taste in there, or the grill part of it. So okay, we'll be back. So here we go, guys. Since it's out of the foil, this is what we have. It got solid and it's not falling apart anymore. So make sure when you first start grilling this, you should have a foil first. So when it gets kind of solid, take the foil out, then you can grill it like a regular barbecue. Okay, we'll be back when these things are done. There you go, guys. It is nice and ready. Time to eat it. So here we go, guys. Here's our final product, our kebab made out of pork. I have garlic, onion, garlic powder, paprika, salt, pepper, egg, and that's about it. And I use some oil to kind of like bind them. But yeah, this is our final products. The key to this, to get it stay in the stick, is when you first do the barbecue, is you put the foil first and then you put your meat. And then when it's kind of like hardened or kind of like cooked already, then you take out the foil, then you can barbecue it like a regular barbecue. So let's try it. This is good with salad or just eat it with rice alone. Okay, here's our kebab with the rice. There you go. I just have my sriracha there, steamed rice. And here's with salad. A very simple recipe. There you have it. Let's try it. Okay, guys, Jill Pinoy is trying. It's time to try our kebab. I'm gonna eat it the simple way. The salad is for my husband. I'm gonna use my hand. I already have my sriracha in here. I would normally eat this with vinegar too, but first bite. Here's my shrimp. Syrup. Oh. Here's the rest. There's plenty in here. See all that? Sarap kuya. Kakamay tayo. It's really tasty, guys. You know, the Italian parsley tastes really good with it. Masarap siya. Okay. It's really good with the sriracha. I like spicy food, as you guys know. I'm gonna bite and pull it out of there. It comes out solid. So I'm gonna try it. Oh, bite. Got it. There. Ay, masarap. Kain. Okay, there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Much mahalo. Salamat po. Kainan na. Aloha.